No, actually, no.
Like every enthusiast from around the area.
Yeah.
Welcome aboard. As you enter, please ensure all loose items are stored in the cargo bay or left with a non-rider. Once seated, secure your safety belts tightly around your waist. Do not pull down on the lap bar until directed to do so. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
Do not pull down on that bar.
Lift-off sequence engaged.
I don't know where. I don't either. Yeah.
That was good. Talk about your time.
That's second half. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Amazing.
Yeah, me too. That was my first ride. Me too.
Oh, really? Somebody better buy this thing.
Oh god, I hope so.
Atlanta.
Oh,
so I was
nice.
like, no, I have to stop.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Especially since it's about to go away
Exactly,
soon.
yeah. And the convenient thing is, I live in Tampa,
Oh yeah.
so
Oh, so you can break Cuba then.
exactly.
Yeah, I think my last round of Kumba was probably 3 months ago, but
It was like my first big roller coaster.
yeah, it's a nice coaster still.
Oh, that was my big first roll.
I wonder what they're gonna do. They're singing something like Kumba's Revenge. It's gonna be extended or something. Or...
They're probably, like, everybody wants a camera.
I literally like where I wrote it the second one. Wait for the worded the announcement. Like it's something
Yeah.
that really built. It says like we're happy to announce Kumba's Revenge. I think they literally used the word.
Yeah, that's what I kept hearing. Something about extension. Yeah. So do they keep part of the original track and they kind of
They
blow
did
it
do
up?
something to it. It was closed for 11 months.
Yeah.
It's like maybe they're giving it the whole thing.
Retrack the whole thing, maybe
Yeah,
extend the track.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's so fun.
So yeah, the way they worded it was really cool.
Cool. I'm kind of happy that they allowed me to bring this thing on board.
Have the best day ever at Fun Spot. Welcome aboard. As you enter, please ensure all loose items are stored in the cargo bay or left with a non-rider. Once seated, secure your safety belts tightly around your waist. Do not pull down on the lap bar until directed to do so.